If you're switching to LawnPro from another software, or you have a list of customers in a spreadsheet, you don't have to add them all one by one. LawnPro lets you import your entire customer list at once using a CSV file. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do it. So to get started, go to your Customer tab, Customers, then click the green New Customer button and select Import Customers. You'll land on the import page. Before you do anything else, we recommend downloading the sample CSV file and previewing it. This shows you exactly how your file needs to be formatted. You'll see what columns are expected and how the data should be laid out. Use this as a guide when preparing your own file. Once your file is ready, click the green Select File to import and select your file. After the file uploads, LawnPro will show you a preview of your data. This is the mapping step, and it's important to get it right. At the top of each column, you'll see a drop-down. You need to use these drop-downs to tell LawnPro what type of information is in each one column. So, for example, above the column that has first names, you'll select Contact First Name. Above the column that has last names, select Contact Last Name, etc. Take your time and make sure everything is right and matched up correctly. This is what ensures your customer data ends up in the right fields in LawnPro. Once everything is mapped, click the green Start Import button. If the import is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. From there, you can click View Customers and see all of your newly imported customers right away. That's all it takes to import your customer list into LawnPro. Download the sample file, format your data to match, upload it, match your columns, and you're done.